might have just been a single one by him. Oh, no, I just got hit again. Got him. Yeah. Dude, that's a nice one. Like an actual nice one, dude. Jeez, dude.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Dude, that's a nice fish, bro.
Oh,
Dude.
I want him to look over.
It's so bad.
It's so bad.
Take a picture, dude. Dude, that's a nice fish. Come on, bro. Come on. Dude, I just got hammered right here, dude.
You are slang.
Got one. No, they said they caught 20, remember?
No,
I'm getting hit. I watched my magnet the whole time.
I can't see it. Okay. It's a pretty one.
Yeah. Oh, we got him on the side.
He's probably swiped at it.
What? Oh, I just got hammered, bro. Got him. Oh, come on. Yeah, you're gonna get one right there. I had 2 hits right there. No, you're gonna get hit. Yeah, I know. You gotta get yours lower, I think, though. Got him.
Dude, no one else.
Look at that. Rainbow. Catch it.